Hello friend, welcome to my channel. This is Abhay with you. Once again, today I am going to review one more new product. The product name is Mints. So see, a good website and landing page plays vital role in any of the successful online marketing campaign. Okay, so in digital marketing, you need a good website and landing page to promote any of your products. See, this website and landing page are the key factor which drive the traffic to your any of your campaign. So ultimately, it's a driving force for high conversion. But to create any of the landing page or website page, it takes a time and it's a skilled job. Okay, so it takes a suppose if you want to design any of your beautiful landing page or sales page, if you create it, it will take lots of time, and at the same time if you outsource it also, so it costs you a lot, because see, even if to create one sales page also, you required more than $1,000. Okay, so the various service provider charges more than $1,000 for designing any of the sales page. So both way, it takes a time and it's extremely expensive to design any of the landing page. So here the roles of this Mints come. So in nutshell, this Mint is a software which help you to build a great website, high converting funnels, landing page, sales page for any of your niche. That is also within a minutes of time. So here no hosting is required. You can host your website or your page on their hosting. No coding, no designing required. You can create unlimited pages and funnel. So here you can create unlimited pages and funnels, and it will come with including commercial license. So it's a fully mobile friendly app. Here you will get the unlimited pages for your self and your client also. You will get the unlimited commercial license and 30 reseller license also you will get along with this software. You can create any type of pages, website with this unlimited design. No domain or hosting is required here. So here you can host your website, pages, funnel on their CDN server. So it's a fully responsive, mobile friendly, fast loading website. It's a newbie friendly, built for non-technical mind also. So here everything you will get to create your landing page, sales page, or your welcome page. Everything comes in this software. So here you will get the 365 days money back guarantee also. Even here vendor gives the $200 refund if it is not work for you. So here huge cost you will say. It's a all-in-one software where you can create your website and various landing page, sales page, everything. One more special thing is that you will get the free email autoresponder if you buy it today. So today I have a great offer for you. If you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, you will get the additional bonuses from my side, which will act as an add-on for this software. The link is already given in the description. You can go through that link. Once you click on that link, it will redirect you to the sales page from where you will get the this product along with my bonuses. So today I will review this product. First I will take you through my bonuses, then we'll review this member area, and then we'll check out the sales page, and where we'll check the price and OTO price. So let's start our review. So we'll go through these bonuses. So this product means it's going to live on 1st September at 11 a.m. EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. So remember, this bonuses is only for limited time frame. Okay, see, once this timer goes off, these bonuses will also expire. So you have to grab these bonuses before this 4th September so that you can avail all the bonuses along with this product. So bonus number 1, which I am going to offer along with this product, beginner to master in ClickBank. So this is the tutorial which is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So in this tutorial you will learn everything about this ClickBank. Here you will learn how to create your ClickBank account, how to get the business through the ClickBank account, how to promote various offers. So everything from scratch to finish you will learn from this tutorial. My bonus number two, $200 per day on autopilot mode. So in this tutorial you will learn how to earn $200 per day through your any of the online business. So here you will learn various hacks and strategies so that you can earn $200 per day. My bonus number three, use Instagram influencer. So in this tutorial you will learn everything about this Instagram account. So as you know that this Instagram is also one of the best platform where you can promote any of your digital marketing campaign. So Instagram is also one of the platform where you can promote your digital marketing campaign. So here various strategies and hacks you will learn. My bonus number four, access to Figo breakout. So in this tutorial you will learn the various traffic hacks. So in this tutorial you will learn how to get the buyer traffic for any of your campaign. So here various strategies and hacks is given. Remember that this bonus is only for 12 hours. So note that you have to copy this link and bookmark this URL so that this bonus you can access anytime whenever you want. And my bonus number five is you will get the vendor bonuses as well, which is vendor is offering along with this product. So this is from this bonus part, and now I'll take you through the member area. So I have logged into this member area. This is the dashboard where you can say how many pages you have downloaded, what are the email campaign or SMS campaign you have run. So everything statistic you will see here. Here search offer one option is there from where you can find the attractive offer from Zevizu, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, so that you can promote this offer with your affiliate link. So these are the some Warrior Plus attractive offer. These are the some high converting offer. So that these are some offers where you can go through the sales page. If you like that product, you can promote that product. So for example, if you want to promote this Electrify offer, you have to just simply click on the grab the deals so that you can get the link of that product and you can promote. So from here you have to just simply copy this link and paste it your campaign so that whenever buyer comes to your offer, you will get the commission. So here this page builder is given. So here this is the main part where you can, in this page builder, you can create your landing page, opt-in page, thank you page, webinar page, or this coming soon page, checkout page, sign up page. So these are the various pages where inbuilt template is given. You can create a beautiful landing page and various pages so that you can promote your product. So see here various templates is given. So you can use this ready-made template, or you can create your own landing page also from scratch to finish. Suppose if you want to use any of this design, suppose if I click here, and so here this template you can use for your any of your niche. So you can select any of this template. This is the fully editable page. Okay, so you can edit this page as per your requirement. See this template you can change whatever, means actually see this text also you can change. Everything you can change. See this you can put any of this image, text, divider, button, video. If you want to put some video, simply drag this video here. Okay, so that you can add video in that as well. So you have to just simply add video URL here, and you can show the any of your promotion video button. You can add anything, even image also you can add. Any action based button also you can add here. You can add here action base and put your affiliate link or whatever your link. So you can do anything, whatever you want as per your product, you can do here. And you have to simply click on here download, so that you can download once you made the changes as per your requirement. You have to simply click on download, so that that page will be downloaded there. Okay, at the same time you can create this opt-in page, thank you page. There are various template is given, so that you can use any of this template and create your thank you page. Same thing you can create for your webinar page, coming soon page, checkout page, sign up page, giveaway page. So all these templates is already given inside this software. You have to just edit this page as per your requirement or as per your business. You have to put your affiliate link, everything you can edit in that, so that this you can use this page in your website, and you can host this website on their server as well, so that no need to buy any hosting website or subdomain or domain. Everything is there in this software. So here you can run SMS campaign also, you can run email campaign as well. So in this SMS campaign you can set up any of the API key, so that it will be integrated with your campaign and run the SMS campaign. Here you can use the SMS template, that is inbuilt SMS template is there, and you can create sequence campaign as well for this SMS. Same thing you can do for this email campaign as well, so that with this email API setting you can integrate your email with this software, that in autopilot mode your email campaign will be run. Here you can create unlimited email campaign. From this email campaign template you can use any of the template and use that. Here you can create email sequence campaign as well. So here various traffic source also given, so that this is the traffic source from various social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Snapchat, LinkedIn. There are 100 plus these social media platform there, so that you can integrate the social media platform with your campaign, so that you can promote across all these social media platform, that is also with the single click. So this is the great feature which I like very much. And there link logging is also there, so that here you can shorten your any of your affiliate link with the help of this bit.ly URL shortener or rebrandly. Here backlink machine is also there, so that you can create unlimited backlinks for any of your product. Here keyword research is also given, so with the help of this keyword research you can find the unlimited campaign or some keyword theme, so that you can use in your promotional campaign. So here training is also given, so that you can go through this training where you learn how to use effectively this software to promote any of your product, or to create landing pages, or to create beautiful website. So that everything is given in this training module. So support is also there, so whenever you stuck up at any point you can contact to their support team as well. So this is from this member area. Now I will take you through the sales page, where we'll discuss the price part. So now I am on this sales page. So see, I will go through only just I will quickly run through this sales page. If you want to go in detail, the link is already given in my description, so that you can click on that link, so that it will redirect you to the sales page. So you can go through in detail through this sales page. So see here other some service provider is given who is providing same services, but they will charge the monthly charges, whereas this in Mint you have to pay only once. So as I told you, you will get the various vendor bonuses as well. This for this product, if you purchase this product through my link, you will get my bonuses, these vendor bonuses as well. So these are some attractive vendor bonuses there you will get from vendor as well. So you will get along with this product 1 year money back guarantee as well. So I'll take you through the price part now. So this front end, Mint cost you around $19, but today if you take it, the down sell price is $14. So here you will get the access to this powerful Mint software and training module. Please note down, even if you purchase this front end, you will get the all the bonuses which is offered by me and vendor side. And this upsell, you will get this Mint Pro, which cost you around $39 and downsell price is $29. Upsell number 2 done for you, which cost you around $167, but downsell price is $97. This upsell number 3, Mint Club, which cost you around $47 and downsell price is $29. Upsell 4, Mint Unlimited Traffic, which cost you around $167, but in downsell price you will get it $97. This Mint Enterprise cost $47, but downsell price is $37. This Mint License Right, which cost you around $167, but in downsell price you will get it on $67 only. This upsell number 7, Mint Bundle, cost you around $30, but downsell price is $27. So this is from this price part. So I'll summarize this product. So this is the Mint software, where in this Mint software you can create unlimited landing page and website or thank you pages, opt-in pages, so many pages. Means actually, see, if you are doing this on your own, it will take lots of time, and at the same time if you outsource it, it will cost you a lot. As I told you, even the sales page creation, you will require more than $100,000. So here with this software you can create unlimited pages and website. Here you no required hosting is not required, coding is not required, designing is not required. Here everything you will get, that is also in one time cost. You don't have to pay any monthly charges. So in one time cost you will get this amazing software. So this is the review from my side. I hope this review is helpful to you. If you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, you will get the attractive bonuses from my side and vendor side as well. The link is already given in the description. So on this channel, I will come up with the upcoming product review video. So do subscribe my channel. If you like this review video, please share it with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching my review video.